If you have been using Plans Express to create original drawings, Estimator Express can prepare a set of detailed notes to go with the drawing. Click on the Notes Wizard button. Select the type of job that you want to do. In this case, we want to do a house. Press Create Notes. Click OK. Review the set of view values which we have provided for the different building types, which align with our standard specification and which aim to comply with the building regs. Note, of course, that these may need to be adjusted to achieve the required SAP rating. Click OK. The software will then complete a set of building reg notes in line with the drawing and estimate you have prepared. If we scroll quickly through the notes, you'll see that the software has provided a general set of notes to deal with the services, site preparation, the various elements of the building regs, ventilation and so on, plumbing, electrics, SAP calculations and so on. And then finally at the bottom of the screen, the software then analyzes the estimate and the drawing to provide a detailed set of notes which aim to pass building regulations. Generally speaking, we advise that you submit these to Assure Building Control, as we have worked on the preparation of these notes with Assure with the aim of providing a set of notes that will comply with building regulations. Let's have another look at how the notes are made. Click on the Notes Wizard button. This time, have a look at the screen before pressing the Create Notes button. You can see that it's possible to create a Word document and a drawing import, or a Word document or a drawing import only. What this allows you to do is to produce a Word-based set of notes, or to create an output that allows you to import the notes directly into Plans Express. This takes rather more time, but for some people having the notes embedded on the drawing is important. However, I'm going to continue with only creating the Word document only. If I click on the More button, we can then start to see how the system actually functions. Casting your eye down the screen, you can see that this section in the middle here contains all of the workbooks or building objects that have either been placed on the Plans Express drawing or estimated manually. The software will select relevant workbooks and embed them in the notes. By default, only the items shown with a tick will be included in the notes. If you wish, you can tick any item, and this will ensure that those items are included in the notes. Of course, it will make no sense to tick the scaffolding and site appraisal costs, as these are not relevant to the building regulation application. Also note that items such as the bifold doors, front doors and windows, etc. are also fully described in the generalized set of notes and therefore do not need to be ticked individually. Let's have a look at the preferences. The preferences section allows you to actually edit the notes. When we ship the software, we provide a set of notes that will automatically create a set of building regs notes that aspire to comply with building regs. However, each building inspector is different, each building is different, and you may wish to edit them. In order to do that, select the relevant set of notes and press Edit Text. If you now scroll down the screen, you will see that we have provided a set of standard notes normally required when making an application for a house or bungalow. This set of notes covers the first 7 pages of notes produced previously. When you have finished reviewing the notes, press Cancel. Further down the screen, you can also edit the notes for each workbook type and each workbook that you have opted to include in the building regs. Towards the bottom of the screen, you can alter the description of each of the materials you have included in your specification. Normally, to provide a more generalized description of the material, to provide additional flexibility during construction, and to remove any references to pack sizes, etc., which are not relevant to the building regulation approval. When you have reviewed some of these, click OK or Cancel. Click OK and select Create Notes. Confirm the U values as before and click OK, and the notes will be prepared. You can save this set of notes as a Word document and include them with your building regs submission.